Hello and welcome back to Fine Arts by Hafsa, this channel where we explore the world of art together. My name is Hafsa and today we are going to be creating a beautiful sketch of a girl using blue color. Sketching with a single color can be a fun and unique way to create art. In this video, we will be using blue to create a stunning portrait of a girl. Blue is a calming and soothing color that adds a sense of a tranquility to your artwork. Before we get started, let's talk about the material you need for this tutorial. Blue color pencil or markers, sketchbooks or paper, reference image, eraser, pencil. Now that we have our material ready, let's get started with the sketch. I'll be taking you through each steps of the process, from sketching the basic shapes of the face to adding details and shading with blue color. We'll explore different techniques to create depth and dimensions using just one color. I have outlined the sketch of the girl here. Now I'm shading it in and now I'll work on the details. And there you have it, a stunning sketch of a girl using blue color. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. If you tried this sketch at home, be sure to share your result with me in the comment below. And as always, be sure to subscribe to Fine Arts by Hafsa for more art related content. Thank you for watching this video.